In this video, I'll show you how to change a Facebook page name if you want to update your brand or correct the current name. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages and select the page you want to edit. Once the page opens, tap the Settings option to access the page settings. Inside the Settings page, look for Page Setup or Page Information and tap on it. Here you will see different details about your page, including the current name. Tap on the Name field to edit it. Now type the new name you want for your page. Make sure the name follows Facebook's guidelines and clearly represents your page. After entering the new name, tap Review Change. Facebook will show you a preview of the updated page name. If everything looks correct, tap Request Change or Submit to send your request. Facebook will review the request before applying the change, which may take some time. Once it's approved, your page will display the new name automatically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.